To save file in ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can save file on ClipChamp. Well, if you are on a project and you want it saved within ClipChamp, right? Then all you gotta do is simply go ahead. Now you can enable the cloud saving as well so that you don't lose it in case. But you can just log into your account and it'll be set it by default. It'll be saved by default. All you gotta do is tap on the menu icon and head over back to home, and I'll continue without sync. You can see here content backup enabled, but it is already enabled here on this device. I won't be able to edit the same video, same project on another device until and unless I enable cloud backup, but for that it'll be saved here. However, if you wish to export your project, right, then you'll find the export option there at the top right. Tap on it and now you can choose the quality, whether you want it for 480 or 720 if you're the free user. If you are premium user, then you can use the 1080 or 4K option as well. So this is how you can easily save file in ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.